Hello, good day everyone. How are you all today? Welcome to another video. My name is Hussein. I'm back again to bring you all some of the updates, which is actually the closing of the week, and also this is at the end of the week for the January 29th of January is coming to an end for this month. I just like to give you some updates in the financial markets. First of all, in our economic calendar, we had a couple of important events, which is unemployment rate from UK, claimant count from UK, all related to this employment industry was really good. Then we saw consumer confidence picked up momentum from US, as well as we had Australia trimmed CPI numbers quarter on quarter, CPI numbers year on year, which was into the green, which was stronger than expected. Then we had Fed interest rate decision. It left its policy unchanged as expected. And then we had initial jobless claim, which actually slightly became better. GDP was actually, according to the economist forecast, met the same expectation, which is not a bad outcome. If you see that new home sales was into the negative zone. And then today we have got I would see that Chicago PMI index, and also FOMC member Kapalan speaks. All right, guys. Beside these headlines, we had a couple of the events which actually some of the earnings which were actually for Apple, which actually beats analyst expectations. And then also we had Facebook, which was also stronger than expected. Well, actually you see stocks jumped on Thursday and roaring back from a sharp sell-off on Wall Street that saw the S&P 500. And then Dow Jones Industrial Average, if you could see here, Dow Jones Industrial Average, raise it. Let me just have a look. Wait a moment. So Dow Jones Industrial Average, initially it fell, then it recovered. Now today you see it actually fell back again. So I would see that this is gonna be a seesaw happening because you see it's not still in an unclear direction. We could see that we are actually expecting from this. So S&P 500 rose about 0.98%, and then Dow Jones gained about 319 points, which was actually boosted by Disney, Intel, and American Express. All right. So technology stocks, if you see that our eyes was on Facebook, but I see that most of these stocks would be giving us some sort of a correction or some sort of, I would say, is it pure technical or fundamental? We are still unclear on that. However, I would see that Dow is planning to fall before it could actually go up further. I believe these are the levels that we have indicated that it should be coming back down and then start its uptrend, because overall we are in an uptrend, but we are expecting a bit of correction on this. However, we will monitor from time to time and keep a close eye on that. So these stocks actually, including brick and mortar, video game retail, GameStop, actually the GameStop, which actually really plunged quite a lot. In fact, earlier it actually jumped 1,500%, and after that it actually dropped quite a lot. So there was also another major news. Actually, it actually fell about 44% yesterday. So that is also one of the major news that we saw this week. And like I mentioned earlier, it soared more than 1,500 to 900%. 900% initially, then 1,500%. It actually soared early of the week, right? So other than that, Apple turned into its largest revenue of record, about triple 1.4 billion, and its fiscal first quarter earning report for fiscal 2021 sales. So we see that even though currently it is going to make correction here, but the stock is on its way to the upside, and this will be keep going up for the whole next year, because the future forecast is going to be really strong. Tesla dropped about 3.3% after the electric car maker posted worse than expected earnings. It was actually anticipated that the earnings are going to be below the expectation. And then other than that, we also saw Facebook, which also came under pressure. So we saw Microsoft this week was a boom for the great earnings, which beats analyst expectation. I would see that this could be this is going to pull back. This could be possibly pulling back, but then the direction for this is clear to the upside. All right, guys. So just a quick update from the overall financial markets. We also saw Bitcoin coming under pressure, and it's on its way to develop a downtrend. All right. However, we'll be monitoring this from time, but there's no entry on it yet, right? But we are just giving you overall forecast which direction would that be going. Okay, so more and more developments I believe that will be happening next week Gold is still in a ranging pattern. We're expecting this to fall. It needs to fall for the way below to these levels, but it's taking some time. So next week also we saw Nancy Pelosi mention that they will start working on providing, or actually getting in operation, the what it calls a COVID relief package. So we will see how the market will react to that, and then there will be new price action developments and also new fundamentals taking place. Alright guys, so as for now I would like to sign off. That's all for this week. We will be back again next week to bring you more updates, and we'll do our best to give you the most reliable information that will be required to us become profitable traders, right? So for now I'll be signing off. Thank you very much for being here. Thank you very much for always supporting us. Should you need any support, do not hesitate to look for us or our managers. We'll be more than happy to assist you. Signing off for now. Thank you very much.